Hello. I'm Oath. How everyone doing? I picked this story online. The Farm Animals, written and illustrated by Rolando Moreno for his sons, Rolly. Farm animals supposed to be a lot of animals, right? Many animals in the farm. Let's listen and see. What are they? The animals that live on a farm all make special sounds. On the farm there is a horse that goes and gallops around. Horses are fun to ride. This is a cow that goes moo and makes the milk for children to drink. Do you drink milk? I do. Here is the piggy. He goes oink oink. He loves to take mud bath. This is a sheep. It has a woolly coat and goes bah bah. Sheep gives us the wool we need, especially in winter. It's gonna be good and make us warm. Here is the duck that goes quack quack. Ducks battle and swim in ponds. Do you swim? Yes, I do swim. This is the chicken. She lays the eggs for children to eat. She goes cuckoo. Here is the goat. The goat makes milk and cheese and goes bah bah. The end. Have a good day and please come back for the next story tomorrow.